Hey everybody, this is the Platinum Knight here with another Going to See video. And today's Going to See video is Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse. And to be honest, nothing really special happened. I guess the only thing I could tell you is after we saw the movie, me, my uncle, and our friend, we were debating where to eat. And the first suggestion was us going to the Head again. But the thing is, we have been there so many times, we wanted to eat something a little bit new or refreshing. Somewhere we haven't been to in a while. And the last time we went to this restaurant was before the pandemic. And so we decided to go to Clyde's. Not Clyde's, Clyde's, which, for those of you that don't get the joke, I actually reviewed Clyde's pretty much the first time I went there, and I ended up pronouncing the name of the restaurant wrong. No, I'm not even joking. I actually got the name wrong. Instead of saying Clyde's, I kept on calling it Clyde's, which, I still feel so embarrassed for that, but, I mean, it happens, I make mistakes. But yeah, we went to Clyde's, and, yeah, everyone, overall, we had a good time. So, here is our trip to us going to see Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse plus Clyde's.
I just feel like getting like the stormy sandwich after that. I haven't done that in a while.
We are here at the AMC Theaters. I love that new popcorn smell. Mm-mm. What's it? Am I H3? Okay. H3 for H3 Productions. Oh, Jesus. That guy fell off hard. Oh, it's still on previews? All right. Theater 11, right? Okay.
Come on, guys, it's time!
Long lost brother.
What?
The full spirit of things? Is it?
I don't know. That was awesome, dude. That was great. I liked the twist.
Man, that cliffhanger. And I kind of didn't want to end.
That twist was pretty dope.
They're going to have a third part in March.
Yeah. Now I really can't wait to see part 3. Yeah, I know. No, I know. But dude, for an animated film, that was a long movie. That was a really, really long movie.
Which one was your favorite Spider-Man?
Surprisingly, Gwen. I like Gwen a lot for some reason.
I'm the least favorite Spider-Man.
Oh, really? Yeah. But
What do you like about it?
this movie was so long. There were so many times where I thought it was gonna end, and then it just kept going. Oh, that was great, dude. That was great. We are here at Clyde's. I have finally returned to this place. It's not Clyde's, it's Clyde's. I messed up royally when I reviewed this place. Oh, I still feel embarrassed.
Like, I don't know how back then how it was.
Brandon said it was cheaper back then.
Yeah, I remember when it was cheaper, the last time we came here. Like, I don't know, if I had to do a good guess, maybe like a 10-piece chicken wings was like, what, 14 bucks or something?
No, how much is it?
For a 10-piece? Well, I just got a 6, and that was like 14
Oh,
bucks.
shit.
So, I don't know what happened, man. The prices increased. Oh well. 2023, huh?
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh, that looks good, Junior. Oh, that looks very good. Go ahead, Andy. Go ahead. The honor's all mine. Alright. What did I get? Ooh.
It's pretty big, actually.
Got a delicious Nashville chicken sandwich. And for to go. Damn, dude. I think their chicken wings actually got bigger to some degree. All right, sweet. Alright everybody, that's it for this going to see video. That's it for me going to see Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse and going to eat at Clyde's. I had such a great time. If you enjoyed this video, then please be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit that notification bell for new videos, and peace out everybody.